if you have a local distillery in your city, I suggest you reach out to them and see if there's anything that you can provide for them, because it might just pay off. It's paid off for me. What's up, guys? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy, and I'm just on location at Lucky Bastard Distillers in Saskatoon, setting up a photo booth for a wedding. So I thought I'd just check in with you. We should take a look at this place. I'll show it to you. First of all, as you've seen in my other videos, starting up a photo booth is very simple with the kind that I have. I just have the computers inside the booth set to automatically start DSLR booth as a starting program. All I have to do is connect up to Wi-Fi and then maximize the screen so that people can't play with the settings. See there, can play with the settings there, but if I press maximize, and then all of a sudden they can't touch anything. But I do need to hook the booth up to Wi-Fi, so oops, let's put the code in. Unlock 1984. Perfect. So we'll just hook up the Wi-Fi. Oops. So I'm just going to get the security code. Look at this place. I've got another video of me working here. These people sponsor me for bartending, or they give me bar mats and stuff like that, and give me alcohol to do giveaways to boost my Facebook channel. But they're a distillery and then an event center as well. So look back on the video. There was our team bartending behind there, but I'm just gonna go into their little commercial area, and I'm going to get the Wi-Fi code for the booth. Hey, can I get the code for the booth? Or sorry, for the Wi-Fi? Yeah, this place is nice. All right, back to the booth. So I plugged it in, and we're just going to get the Wi-Fi hooked on.
Looking good.
I need a new hat. Which one should I wear? That one looks nice. Should I get a hat? So I've got Sandy here. Sandy has, I've known Sandy forever. He's been one of my bartenders at points. He's been roommates of mine at points. He's kind of like the go-to, one of the go-to guys at the distillery here. He's the guy who hooked up my my barrel purchase for my barrel video. He's gonna just quickly show me around the distillery.
Definitely. All right, follow me.
All right.
Welcome. So right now, we are distilling vodka. As you can see by my shirt, vodka pays the bills. And then picture around the back, you can see some of the barrels. This is basically the gist of it. So we got our whiskey barrels aging here. Josh is just finishing pumping up vodka to our vodka tower.
Once we're done that, we'll go to the bottling line.
Gentlemen here are working on some bitters. Looks like the bacon bitters, which is also popular. It goes with the Caesars and dill pickle vodka. Our bottling line here can do around a few hundred bottles per hour when fully operational, with about 2 to 3 people.
That's the good stuff right there. Look at that. Cool. And that's pretty much nutshell, hey?
That's it in a nutshell.
Tanya's gonna be one of the bartenders tonight. How do you feel?
I feel pretty awesome.
Pretty awesome. Hi, Ashley.
Hey.
everyone, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure and give it one of those. And remember, you stay classy.